Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to create personalized stickers for WhatsApp. As we all know that WhatsApp recently launched their beta update and they rolled out the sticker option. This sticker option can be found in this emoji section. By clicking the plus icon you can download the stickers, but these stickers are not that good. So you can create your own. For creating and adding your own stickers to WhatsApp, you will need this app called Personal WhatsApp Stickers. The download link will be mentioned in the description. So what this app does, it scans all the PNG images present on your device and make a pack of them. You can add this pack by clicking on the add button. Once you have added the pack, it will be shown in the WhatsApp sticker option and you can send them. So how to create your own sticker? For that, you will be needing a background blurring or background eraser app. In this video I am using PixArt. So click on new, then on edit, click on background and then select a blank background. Now click on add photo, then select the image you like, click on add. Make sure you crop it so that there is less erasing work and it will become easier. Now resize the image, then click on the eraser icon and erase the background. You can also download the PNG stickers from the internet. Make sure all the stickers that you want to make a pack of are in the same folder. Now click on done. Resize as you want. Oh, these ads. Now save it to the gallery. Now go to the WhatsApp sticker app and now you can see the WhatsApp sticker in that pack. Now click on add. Now go to WhatsApp. And now you can see the sticker pack in the sticker options. So you can send them. Hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon. Hit like if you learned something new. Share this trick with your friends. Thank you.